Speed has always been the ultimate weapon in the sky. From Cold War interceptors to experimental rocket planes, these jets pushed the limits of human engineering. Today, we're counting down the top 5 fastest planes ever built. Number 5, MiG-31. Top speed, Mach 2.8 to 3,000 kilometers per hour. Role, Soviet interceptor. Fact, still in service today, guarding Russian skies. Number 4, F-15, Eagle. Top speed, Mach 2.5. Role, U.S. Air Superiority Fighter. Fact, over 100 victories in combat, 0 losses. Number 3, MiG-25 Foxbat. Top speed, Mach 3.2, built to chase U.S. bombers and spy planes. Fact, pilots had to be careful. The engines would melt at full throttle. Number 2, SR-71 Blackbird. Top speed, Mach 3.3. Fact, could fly faster than a missile chasing it. The Blackbird still holds the speed record for a manned jet aircraft. Number 1, NASA X-15. Top speed, Mach 6.7, 7,200 kilometers per hour. Technically a rocket plane, but piloted like a jet. Fun fact, its flights reached the edge of space, and several pilots earned astronaut wings. These machines weren't just planes, they were legends. Proof that when humans chase speed, the sky is not the limit. Which of these would you dare to fly? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more aviation power.